What's up, what's up, what's up? Being Sonia Williams is here once more in the kitchen, getting ready to make the good old Jamaican drops. Last week we made a grater cake, but this time we are still on the coconut journey and we are going to make drops today. If you are new here, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe, touch the notification button, share, and like the video. So stay tuned. Here we are. I have 20 ounces of water boiling in my pot. Now I'm going to put 2.5 cups of sugar, brown sugar, and we are going to stir. Here we go. The sour sugar, we want to let it dissolve. So just remember now, 2.5 cups of brown sugar. So I have a little piece of ginger. Just gonna put it inside here. So we put the ginger there just to give it a kick. And here we have 1 coconut. So you want to, cut your coconut in pieces, dice it in little pieces like this, and you're gonna pour it in your sugar. So remember, 1 coconut cut up in small pieces, and you're gonna leave it there and let it boil, because it has to boil all the way down. So we're gonna let it do its thing. Let's crack the stove up and high and give it time to boil. You have to let the coconut and the sugar mingle together with the ginger and boil all the way down, just like my previous video where I made grater cake. This is drops, authentic good old Jamaican drops. So guys, let's just leave it there, let it do its thing, and we're gonna come on back. Okay, so guys, we are checking back on our drops. Let's see where we are so far. So it's doing its thing, but we have a little ways to go. So let's stir a little. It's getting there, it's getting there. So we still need to let it boil some more. So let's stir a little. See, still have a lot of water in it. The ginger, the sugar, the coconut, they are just mingling at this point. So we're gonna leave it, and we'll come on back a little later. Let's say another 5 or 10 minutes. All right, okay, let's start. At this point, guys, we are getting down to the wire. Come with me. We have to stay close. See, caramelization. This is what we are looking for, the process, this process. We still have a little ways to go, but just let's start. Take a look. See, our ginger is right here, coconut is doing its thing, sugar caramelizing. See that? All right, just do its thing. So let's continue stirring, because we don't want it to start sticking to the bottom of the pot. So stay with me. This is the tricky part. We have to keep stirring. I mean, we can step away for a little, but not too far, because we have to pay close attention at this point. Here we go. See that? See that? All right. So we're stirring. We are stirring. It's getting really brown. It's getting its color. Stay with me. At this point, we cannot leave. We have to stay close. And we have to continue stirring. All right, in the meantime, let's wet our plate for let's wet our plate. This is a trick, because if you do not wet the plate, guess what? Your drops will stuck inside the plate and you can't take it out. So this is the trick, guys. You have to wet your plate so that when you get ready to take out your drops, you can get it out easily. So just remember that you have to wet your plate to put your drops so that you can take it out easily. Otherwise, you are in big trouble, because once you put it there without wetting it, it will stuck right there, and you're probably gonna have to just break it up in order to get a piece out to eat. So just remember that. That's your tip right there. So you see, it is coming down. It's getting a little heavy because we're getting down to the end. So stay with me. This is what we call drops. Authentic Jamaican drops. Coconut, sugar, and ginger. That's it. Nothing else. At least for me, I don't put anything else. I feel like less is more. And this is what I'm leaving it at that. 3 ingredients. Matter 4, water, including water. Alright? So let's continue stirring. It's getting sticky. That's how you know that you are close to the end. The sugar is caramelizing. So we have to stir. There's still a lot of water in it, and remember in my previous video where I made crater cake, I told you that you have to leave it. You have to let all the water suck right out of it, and then it get to that point where it's really difficult to turn. That's when you know that plating is close. Alright, so let's continue with the stirring. Oh, sorry about that. There we go. Getting the right color right here. Brown sugar is the best. Has more substance than the white sugar. No, the white sugar is like it's bleached. There's no substance there. I mean, sugar and a whole is not really good for you, but at least if you want to go there, use the brown sugar. It's better for you. Like I said, I don't recommend eating a lot of this at one time. If you feel like you need something sweet, then here you go. This is a little snack that you can chew on. You can chew on this. If you're going out the street, you're going to pick up the kids, or you just in the park, you put a little piece in your pocket and just chew on. There's nothing wrong with that, you know. It's something to chew on. Snack, you know. This is one of Jamaica's oldest snack. We used to buy this at school, and man, you look forward to this one. The coconut especially, man, just chewing that coconut, it's very good. This is what we buy at break time. recess time. And this is gonna help you out before lunchtime. A little sugar going on here. See? We have to do this. See? It's getting a little sticky. That's what we're looking for. That's what we're going for. Still have some ways to go. Water is there. Gotta get out the water. Remember that. Don't be fooled thinking, okay. You have to let it go down a lot more. See? We get in there. Drops we call this one. It's drops. See? See what we are looking for. You gotta be careful with this one, man. You don't want to drop on your feet, or it's gonna just burn you. Oh my God. This is sugar we're talking about, guys. So be careful. Whatever you do, don't let it drop on your feet or anywhere on your body. This is sugar, man. I'm using my phone. I'm actually holding my phone and all the inners are. See? It's all thickened. But I think we are ready. We are ready. Forgive the noise there, guys, because I'm using my phone here, holding it in my left hand and staring with my right hand. So that's why the video is moving around like this. I need to upgrade, but that's alright. I'll do that a little later. At this point, my phone gonna have to do. So here we go. That's your end product. Not grater cake, sorry about that. Drops. Jamaican authentic old vintage drops. Alright? Thank you.